What's going on, y'all? What's going on? Listen, I'm back with yet another video. For those of you who are already subscribed to me, welcome back. You already know what it is. For those of you who are just now tuning in, welcome. What you can find here are talks about maca root, skincare hacks, product reviews, hair, 4C hair specifically. I'm on a hair growth journey, okay? So I'm doing these protective styles and just how to glow up in general. Let's get into it. I did a Kojic acid soap video not too long ago, literally just days ago, and I've gotten questions, I've gotten comments, so I just wanted to clarify some things. What we're going to talk about is Kojic acid soap. People have asked me, oh no, are you saying that you should just stop the Kojic soap? That's not what I'm saying at all. What I'm simply saying is that you may want to test a small area before you actually start using it, okay? You want to make sure that you're not allergic to it. You want to make sure that it does not, in fact, cause hyperpigmentation or irritate your skin. The fact of the matter is the Kojic soap is stronger than the Kojie sand acid soap. So it's something that you do want to consider when getting it. I do feel that it works. I mean, I've been using it for quite some time. The only thing is that I've fallen off of it. And with a lot of things, I try them, they either work or they don't. Even when they work, just because I'm constantly going, trying new things, whatever, sometimes I just fall off of things that work well. I'm gonna be real with you. The Kojic soap does actually work. Do I feel that you should stop it altogether? No. I just feel that you need to take the necessary precautions, such as using sunscreen when you step out into the sun, when you step out during the day. Use it at nighttime. If you are going to use it in the morning, like I said, then just use a sunscreen. It's kind of like the cream, the tretinoin cream that I've spoken of before, how I use it. I use it at night. If I use it in the day, if I use it during the day, then I use a sunscreen. But honestly, I mainly use it in the evening. Mine is now actually expired, so I've used it like a couple times here and there just to see like if it really is gonna mess me up. And I know that's dangerous. I don't know. I need to look into that. But I'm like, I think this thing is still fine. The expiration date was September. We're in October. But yes, typically those things, the creams, the soap, you want to use it at night. Really, you're not stepping out into the sun. You know, and then in the daytime, wear a sunscreen. If you do not use a sunscreen, it defeats the purpose of even using the soap. Now let's talk about Kojic acid soap for the face. Do I think that you should use it on your face? I don't think there's anything wrong with it. Again, though, you have to know your skin. Do you have sensitive skin? Have you tested a small area? These are things that you want to keep in consideration. Kojic acid soap has been used for years and recommended for years by doctors, dermatologists, estheticians, people who just wanted to glow up and said, hey, let me try this. So it's been used for years. It does, in fact, for me, lighten dark areas, acne marks, fade dark marks, but you just want to proceed with caution. And I think what happens is if you're going to take the bar of soap and literally scrub it on your face, I wouldn't necessarily suggest doing that, especially if you're going to do that several times a week. Wouldn't suggest doing that. Again, this is something that is strong, so you have to really just be careful. Now, you combine it with other things. You combine it with your cleanser. Even Urban RX, for example, they have a product, a cleanser that has the Kojic acid soap in it. And that's not all. That's not the only brand. That's not the only product. That's not the only cleanser that has Kojic soap in it. So you don't have to, stop it altogether. But perhaps you want to try using it with some essential oils, maybe some aloe, things that are more natural. Combine it with other things so that you're not just putting it directly onto your skin and like damaging your skin. Again, if you have to proceed with caution, as I've said. Now, I will say this, my elbow, I don't know if I mentioned it in the previous video, it was also very rough. In addition to getting darker, it was very, very rough and dry. Felt like sandpaper. I'm talking about even when I put moisturizer on there, even when I put lotion on there. So what you want to do is make sure that you properly moisturize the area that you are trying to lighten, the marks that you are trying to fade. Because if you don't moisturize, that is another way that you're just kind of damaging the skin, making it rougher, making it more susceptible to sun damage, ultraviolet rays, things of that nature. So you have to properly moisturize, and you cannot leave it on too long. I will say this, I also did a video not too long ago, homemade mango butter. Used the mango butter, mixed it with other things, natural things. When I say I did not use lotion today, I used the butter. I used the DIY mango butter that I made that really wasn't hard to make, okay? And the thing has me glowing if you cannot see. Look at that. I'm gonna keep using it on these little marks, okay? But anyway, I've been using the body butter on, and you can use it for hair too, for your face, body, whatnot. I have been using it all over, but I've noticed that in just days, my elbow has indeed gotten lighter. Now look at the left one that was darker. There's still some darkness there, but it has gotten much lighter. You just have to be really, really careful, and you have to moisturize properly. This body butter is better than any lotion that I have ever used in my life. Anything else that I've ever used in my life, it literally has me glowing. I mean, just seeps into the skin, just goes into the skin, just flawlessly, literally just melts into my skin, and as you can see, has my skin glowing. So I'm going to continue to use it to just lighten dark areas all over, and I'm not playing. I'm going to continue to put it on the elbows, and I think that is doing something and will continue to do so. So no, it's not bad. You just want to make sure that, like, if you use it in products, if you use it in certain products, if you mix it with other things, with other cleansers, then I don't really think that it's a bad thing at all. No, I am not a dermatologist and esthetician, nobody like that. But I tried products and I, see if they work for me or not. And then I come and I just tell y'all about it. So, take it or leave it. Of course, do your own research, watch other videos, get your info. This body butter. This body butter is out here fading the darkness, okay? And leaving my skin moisturized. That's all I really wanted to say. Thank y'all so much for tuning in. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that bell for notifications, and I will most definitely be back with more, all right? Thanks for tuning in, and I'll holla.